Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're going to finish with the power steering. We're going to fill it up and then we're going to balance the power valve and then hopefully drive this thing. Let's get started. Alright, I hope you can hear me. The fan is on because it's hot as hell. Alright, I got my little funnel down here. This is supposed to be one you can clip on the top of this, but it's just not going to work today. I have no idea how much power steering fluid this is going to take. So we're just going to give her. Hopefully I don't spill it all. That's the main thing. That is just too damn close to that belt, don't you think? I bet you there's nothing on the stick. Yeah, pretty much right. And remember, the whole system's empty right now, so I'm probably not going to have enough power steering fluid. I may have to pop off and get some. We'll try and get this done today because I got something I got to do tomorrow. It has nothing to do with working in this garage. Woo, that's almost all of it. Yeah, I spilled it all. Well, damn. Last night. Yeah, she's full. And it's flooded. Every freaking where. Alright then. We'll save that for tomorrow. I'm done with this for today. It's too hot, I'm irritated. We'll let that all drip dry. And then tomorrow we'll do all the adjustments. You know what I'm saying? Well, unfortunately, as you just saw, I overfilled it big time. It is flooded down there. And then I decided to take a day off so I could go help a friend do a brake job on his father-in-law's truck. So now we're gonna get back to this, and we have to start off by cleaning up my mess. Yay! All right. And the reservoir is still full, so it didn't bleed down. That's a plus. We won't know if it's leaking or not until we completely dry everything, but we still have to do the turning of the steering wheel to get everything into the system, and then we will align the power valve. Make sense? That's what I thought. All right, I will bring you guys back as soon as my domestic duties are over. I think it's gonna be one of those days. Battery's dead in the car. Oh, the power steering stuff's fine. I wiped it all down. It was pretty much dry from drip drying for a day. But as I was walking out, Sasha grabbed part of one of the hangers for the exhaust. And it's a piece I don't have a replacement for. And now she's gone. So now I have to go out in the yard and hunt that. So, I'll be back. Well, I searched my yard, can't find that piece. You'd think I would learn by now not to leave crap on the floor for her to get. Hard lesson learned. Well, that was fun. Started the car and the wheels went that way. Not very unexpected. So I got under there and started adjusting. And the wheels started to slowly move, and then all of a sudden, wham, they went straight to the right. So undid it. Started to go back to the left. Well, then they started spazzing out, going boom, 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 boom. So I shut the car off. Now, I'm gonna check all my levels. And then I guess adjust it some more so it'll stop doing that. I'll film it when I adjust it this time. lift you on. All right, we're still having difficulties getting these tires to quit flopping around. Power steering is low, so I'm going to top it off and then we'll get back to it.
Doing this. What you can see just in this. Well, now it's going to adjust.
All right, on my Corvette, guys, let's see if I can get some light up in here. I want you to look up at the power valve and tell me what you see that may be wrong. I think I figured it out, but I want to see if you guys can see it. Put it in the comments if you can, okay? And this is what happens when you take stuff apart and leave it sitting around for a couple of weeks and then put it back together. You forget what order they go. I looked up a diagram and this should be connected down here and vice versa. Now, if that is my problem, then that's a D2D moment for me. So we're going to switch them out real quick. And here's the other thing. I still have an oil leak. It's worse than I thought it was. So we'll have to drop the oil pan again and reseal it. If that's where it is, we're gonna have to get in and look, but I wanna fix this first before I go anywhere else. We got the lines switched. We only made a slight mess. That was a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I'm gonna sit you right here and let you look at this tire while I want to make adjustments to, we're going to start the car and see what happens.
Definitely have an exhaust leak. I can hear that. I'm gonna move you over just a little bit. Okay. The wheel turns now. Imagine that. Hopefully we didn't burn anything out or blow out any seals. I should have wiped this down before I did this. Okay. Even now, the tire has a tendency to go to the right more. So, for that we need to go counterclockwise for it to come back left, if I remember correctly. So, guys, I think I got it. I'm gonna go with that for now. We can make another adjustment later. All right, let me find the cap.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. We finally got the power valve adjusted just right. We might have to make some fine tuning on it once we drive it. Can't drive it right now because, unfortunately, the other thing I was gonna do that was gonna be in this video is postponed because of parts. None of the local places have the parts I need, so I had to order them, and of course they can't get them to me for over a week. So, this video is gonna be cut off here on a successful run. Now, sorry, we just got air conditioning, and it's not working very well. And of course the unit's a little like 10 years old, something like that. It was still in the box, brand new, and I got it for free. But I don't believe she's working. Hold on, maybe now she'll get cold. She just cycled. There's the cold air. All right, we might actually be comfortable in here this summer. Anyway, ending on a good note. It's adjusted. It works after I accidentally switched lines and it didn't work and spazzed out. So hopefully I didn't do too much damage. But anyway, I'm happy with it. I hope you were happy with it. I hope you learned something. If not, sorry. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, tell your friends to try and help build the channel up a little bit. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I like your comments. I like to respond to them. Sometimes I might not get your jokes, like in the last one, I didn't really get it. It took me a minute. But I will respond if you ask me a question. This has been Whatever Garage.